You all in this class. Dear student, as you know, we are discussing about the media, the mainstay of democracy. You have learned the meaning of media. Here, media meaning is written in your slide. Media is the plural form of medium, which means the several ways to communicate many people at a time. Just now I have given you example. I am teaching you. I am teaching you. I am a single teacher to teach you, and you are so many students who are listening. So what happened? Our mobile, my mobile, or my device is the example of media. It is the means of media. It is the way to communicate you. So in different ways, so many people are communicated by others. For example, books, right? Paper, newspaper, magazines, periodicals, journals, billboards, mobiles, computer, so many apps, internet, you can say, CD, DVD, all these are the examples of media. So now first you have to learn the meaning of media. Next, what is the meaning of democracy? Actually, democracy is a government of the elected representatives. Representative, a person who represents, who says or indicates the feelings, requirements of a group of people or some people. Here, democracy is a government of the elected representatives. Here, 2-3 terms you have learned. Democracy, government, elected, or representative. Here, democracy is a form of government. Now, it means it is a government of the people. Democracy is not a government of the king or queen or dictator, right? It is not a government of single people like king. It is not such government. It is a government of the people. What does it mean? People make this type of government. How they make? First, they elect their representatives. Election is held. In election, the people elect their representatives, and their elected representatives form the government. For example, nowadays, in center, Narendra Modi government is there. BJP party government is there. Right? In short, I'm telling you because it is a subject of standard class. It is not mentioned in your book, but slightly it is written. I am giving you example and I am going to explain it. In election, many political parties give tickets to their candidates to elect or to win the election. Many representatives from different political parties contest election. People cast their vote in the favor of their own favorable candidate or own favorable political party. And after election, their result is declared. The representatives from the different political parties win election. As you know, from each constituency, right, electoral area, out of many political candidates, parties, one candidate who has got maximum vote is declared as a winner or victorious. एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी इलेक्शन में कई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के कैंडिडेट इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करते हैं। उन सबों में कोई एक जिसको सबसे ज्यादा वोट आता है उसको इलेक्टेड डिक्लेयर किया जाता है। अब कहीं से बीजेपी का, कहीं से कांग्रेस का, कहीं से आरजेडी का, कहीं से जदयू का कैंडिडेट जीतते हैं, राइट। मान लो ये स्टेट लेवल की बात हुई, सेंट्रल लेवल पे भी यही बात होती है डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज से। एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज डिसाइडेड कि हुज पार्टी मेंबर और कैंडिडेट हैज इलेक्टेड इन मैक्सिमम नंबर। तो सेंटर में क्या हुआ, बीजेपी का मान लो सबसे ज्यादा कैंडिडेट जीत के गए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। तो दिस इज द रूल, इट इज रिटन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन that the majority party leader will be called to be the prime minister। जिस दल का जो सबसे बड़ा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है उस पार्टी को ही राइट है गवर्नमेंट बनाने का, राइट। तो उस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के जितने भी लीडर्स हैं अपना एक लीडर चुनेंगे, हेड चुनेंगे। जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी को बीजेपी ने चुना, इलेक्ट किया, और तब ये रूल है कि जो लीडर है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का ही विल बी अपॉइंटेड एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। सिंस नरेंद्र मोदी इज द लीडर ऑफ द मेजोरिटी बीजेपी पार्टी इन द सेंटर, इट इज व्हाई नरेंद्र मोदी इज अपॉइंटेड एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? And he has prepared the list of council of ministers that is approved by the president, and in this way prime minister and council of ministers are appointed by the president। और इसी को हम गवर्नमेंट बोलते हैं, राइट। ऐसे तो गवर्नमेंट के 3 फॉर्म्स होते हैं, लेजिस्लेटिव, एग्जीक्यूटिव जिसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट, काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर आते हैं, और जुडिशियरी। तो यहां मैं बात कर रहा हूं गवर्नमेंट मीन्स ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स की। तो इस तरह आपने क्या देखा, व्हाट हैव यू सीन? पीपल पार्टिसिपेट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। इट वाज द पीपल हु इलेक्टेड द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ देयर ओन, राइट। एंड द बीजेपी party became the majority party in center, and their leaders, elected leaders, formed the government. In short, what have you understood? Democracy is a form of government in which elected representatives make the government. And in class 6 you have already studied democracy is a form of government of the people, for the people and by the people. What does it mean? It is of the people, I mean government is of the people। ये किसके लिए है? For the people। और किसके द्वारा है? By whom it is run or guided? By the people। So in this way democracy is a form of government। Here one term is also there, mainstay। What is the mainstay? Democracy, media, the mainstay of democracy। What does it mean? Mainstay means main base, ground, आधार। Mainstay means the thing on which something's based on, जिस पर कोई चीज हो, ग्राउंड है जिसको। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, द फाउंडेशन ऑफ योर बिल्डिंग इज द मेन स्टे ऑफ योर बिल्डिंग। जो नींव होता है, फाउंडेशन होता है जिसमें पूरा बिल्डिंग पड़ा है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द मेन स्टे, मेन बेस। तो हियर इट इज सेड मीडिया इज द मेन बेस, मेन ग्राउंड ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। Why and how? You have to ask the question. You should raise, and obviously, this question will be in your mind. How media is very important or main base of the democracy. Well, democracy is formed by the people. Here, between democracy and the people, there is media. मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि डेमोक्रेसी इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, कौन बनाता है भाई? बाय द पीपल. तो देयर आर टू मेन पॉइंट्स हियर, डेमोक्रेसी एंड पीपल. Democracy is government which is made to fulfill the desire of the people. And other side is the people who have so many desires, so many aspirations, so many requirements, needs that is to be fulfilled by the government. Are you understanding? One side, there is hope, aspiration, requirement, necessities of the people. And other side is the government who has to fulfill. What is government doing and what the people are trying to know and get, who will say to each other? Because decision makers are in the capitals or are away from the people, right? And the executive or the government is also, decision makers are away from the people. तो एक दूसरे की बात वो कैसे जानेंगे? It is media. It is media who highlights the requirement, desires, necessities, aspiration of the people before the government, and what actions are taken by the government, what programs are initiated, what schemes are unveiled or prepared or made by the government for the people is highlighted among the people by the media. So media plays the role just like the link between the democracy and the people, government and the people. It is why government is very accountable to the people. Government thinks if she will fail to fulfill the desire of the people, people will not cast their vote in their favor in next election. Right? And what government is doing, it is also highlighted among the people, and people decides which government or which political party is better for, is good for giving them better government. In this way, you have seen the media has played very important role between two, and it creates the ground for the democracy. If the government believe, if the people think that a certain political party is fit for the making government, the people cast vote in their favor. Who creates this type of opinion? Who helps to create this type of opinion or mindset among the people? Media. Media here means different ways of communication. Paper, newspaper, newsrooms, channels, TV, computer, books, journals, newspaper, social media. इससे क्या होता है? People एक अपना ओपिनियन, अपना थॉट क्रिएट करते हैं किसी के फेवर में और अगेंस्ट में. और इस तरह से, इन दिस वे, वी हैव लर्न्ड, you know, that media actually plays the role as the mainstay or ground of democracy. Have you understood? But here one thing is also very important. In context with highlighting the demand of the people, and as well as the schemes and program launched by the government, media should be impartial, should not favor unjustly to any side, either to the government or to any certain group of the people. Right? Media should be impartial, not favor unnecessary to any government. After that, people can decide about the reality or about their concept or decision to favor any government. It is why this title is given here. Media, the mainstay of democracy. Let it be. Next, here you have learned the meaning of media, meaning of democracy, importance or how the media is the mainstay of democracy. Now, next is what? Examples. What are the examples of media? Here you see media means radio, television, cinema, books, magazines, internet, etc. Okay. Now, next is what? Here, these are the examples. Here you see radio, TV, microphones. Now, by the help of this microphone, a leader or any people can address so many people or a large gathering in the field or in the public place or auditorium. Next is here magazine and newspapers. Here books. Now, here this type of speech in public places. Here you see this radio rooms. No, in this way these are the examples. Now here latest technology. Here there are some examples of latest technology. You know, here billboards. Billboards you have seen in your town and cities, even village also, near cinema halls or beside the roads. Different slogans are written, different important information regarding any certain issues are written. Here, for example, you have seen at many places. Here I also have given one billboard is there. Now, on a public place, now on the pillar, it is set. Now, here it is written what? Please. You see here, it is relevant. Please wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to save yourself from the effect of coronavirus, COVID-19. Now, please wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This type of writings or slogans or important lines are written in billboards. Now, next is what? Here, these are the examples, newspapers, magazines. Here you see CD, DVD. Now next TV programs. You see there are so many channels. One example I have given of Aaj Tak. Anjana Om Kashyap and Sweta Singh and others also. Daily you have been watching many new channels in your TVs. And here TV newsrooms. So these are periodicals, billboards. All these are the means of what? Media. Latest technology of media. Now next is what? Print. Printing press. There is a story. There are two types of media, print media and electronic media, about which you have seen. Here, there is a story regarding the printing. Earlier, there was no machine, no paper. Handwritten work was going on. But later on, what happened? People began to prepare the words made of the seal. Seal, seal is used in packaging the पार्सल पैकेट्स और इनवेलप्स. वो वेरी सॉफ्ट होता है, उसको गर्म किया हल्का थोड़ा सा, क्या करते हैं हम स्टैंप के रूप में भी यूज करते हैं. ये देखो स्टैंप है, इसको थोड़ा सा हॉट किया जाता है और सील पर इसको लगा करके हम पैकेज बनाते हैं, पैक करते हैं, सील्ड करते हैं. लेकिन पहले क्या होता था, they used to make the rage word designs of seal, and it was printed on wet clay or wax for printing. You were used for printing. Later on, what happened? Paper was invented, and it brought the revolution in the field of printing area. Later on, as you know, paper was invented by Chinese. Printing machine was also invented later on by Gutenberg, no, Johannes Gutenberg of Germany, and they began to print the papers in the form of newspaper, books, and so on and so forth. First printed book was Bible, right? And later on computer also was invented. So these are the things which help a lot in the field of printing world, and printing machine proved very